Azan, don't come in here saying hey to everybody, okay?
Yeah. Hey,
Oh.
I'm gonna be a golden bull.
Right. Oh, he heavy. Oh. So sweet. You gotta tell her your name?
I didn't want to work.
You didn't want her. What you say? Name? Azad. Azad Thompson.
Bye-bye.
Say see ya.
Hey, what's up? I like the chain.
Say thank you. Azad, don't come in here saying hey to everybody, okay?
Yeah. Hey,
Oh.
I'm gonna be a golden bull.
Right. Oh, he heavy. Oh. So. Give her a kiss. What do you say?
Thank you.
No, I
love you.
Oh, I love you too. Why you get my peppermints and she doesn't get my peppermints. Yeah, you know who Sola is, right? What's her daddy name? What do we call him? Moot? We call her daddy Moot?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Moot.
Yeah.
Moot.
Moot.
I've been doing this.
don't do too much moving while you got that peppermint in your
Yeah,
mouth.
I was thinking the same thing. Don't swallow your peppermint, okay?
Right.
It won't hurt my stomach.
It might lodge in your throat. And what name you gonna give him?
Mia.
No, the baby. What should we call the baby? We can't call him Mazai, because that's your name.
How old are you?
I won. I'm gonna be 2.
You gonna be 2? When's your birthday?
It said August 13.
Really?
Yeah.
And what's your name?
And then Asai.
How do you spell your name?
A-D-E-I.
Good job, buddy. You're so smart.
A-D-E-I.
You said what?
I drink that coffee.
How you know this coffee?
I don't know. Can I drink some?
Mm-mm.
Please.
You don't drink coffee.
Mm-hmm.
Who be giving you coffee?
You be giving me green coffee.
Who?
There's some juice drink coffee. You know?
No, I don't know, because I don't give you coffee.
Mm-hmm.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you do. Well, my daddy do be doing.
Oh, your dad let you.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, because I don't even drink coffee. I haven't had one of these in I don't know how long.
Huh? I want that too. Why she didn't buy me that either?
Huh?
Why she didn't buy me that either?
I didn't know you wanted it.
Huh?
I didn't know you wanted it.
Let me go tell.
No, okay. It's good.